New to the world, fresh out the barrio. I was an outlaw rebel, out of my mind, young and wild. My existence defined in one word: survive.
Check. If it could be sold, I could sell it. If it can't, that's cool. I'll fix it up, make it look good enough to catch some fools. It started when I was young, with my Genesis games. He traded me John Madden for, I don't remember the name, but it was weak though. The streets though, they play with Perico. So Tito became my Eho. He had cheap blow, and each O like 3-4 times I flip ones. But it's Evo, the people I deal with a stick nuns. With big guns, they diesel, that diesel never changed. The custies still gnaw like they agree with everything. The weed ain't the same, all the colors is new. It ain't just green, the haze is purple and them berries is blue. I don't care if it was pink, as long as they still smoking. I had them bags packed till they damn near open. The hustle's in my veins, I could bleed in the pot and make a soup that'll go for $10 a pop.
In La Calle, on a collision course with incarceration, consumed by the lies of the streets. They were an illusion, but I awoke, caged like an animal.
They got me locked in a cell where I'm feeling like an experiment. My spirit sharper than lasers they use to build pyramids. Writing on the walls keep me sane. Knuckle push-ups on the concrete till I bleed out the pain. Thoughts of my freedom lingering in my brain. I'm stronger and much quicker, I appreciate the game. Building with my air lights, brown power reunite. Tattoos of my flag, PR pride, Jesus Christ. But I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. So when I'm free, I'll teach and spread the speech of how they try to divide us, make us weak, find us and break a piece. So I got us, make it peace, honest. I play for Jesus. This is the life of your forefathers that fought hard on four corners of backyards. Power in numbers, so they subtract us and add bars. If they want it, we gon' take them to war. We not